Police in Colchester, investigating the rape of a woman with cerebral palsy near the town. Raymond Hatter, who's from Milton Keynes, handed himself into the Thames Valley Force at 2 o'clock yesterday morning.
Hey, Grandad.
6.
Push it, this button here, push it along. Pull it along. Oh, push your finger, look up. You can't get your finger over it. See that button there? If you push it that way towards the fence, it'll zoom in.
Oh yeah!
And if you push it the other way, it'll come back out again.
Before I take it off, do I release the tension?
You're on film.
How am I going to do that?
Dad.
Daddy. Look, now we're going to do some bicycle repair. Welcome to John's workshop. This is John, and I'm going to repair my bicycle that costs £500. Today, zoom in on the chain. This is the chain delinker. Look at my oily hands. No good making ketchup and beans on toast with them sort of hands, is there? No, here we go again. Anyway, zoom in.
No, I'm zooming out, sorry.
Okay, zooming out, zooming in, I don't care. We're going to bollocks Bob the bike up right now. We're going to take the chain off. We're going to be really...
Right, Bob, I'm stopping now. Dad, look at me. Dad, do an Irish jig. Go on. A little bit of a one.
Is that 8mm?
Is that it?
I've got the editing video machine for that.
Is that it, Dad?
See,
Why did we find you in the first place?
box the bicycle in one hit. Take the shade off and let someone push you.
Alright, Dad, you're being famous now.
I'm famous, I.
Yeah.
That was more than
Yeah. Well, not this one.
Jesus.
Oh, wait.
There he is.
Oh, wait.
He's like the Pope. If he had one of them colours on, he'd be great, wouldn't he? So, Teresa's in John's house, and there is the plug for Teresa's dad to go haircutting. Cut. Danny is going to get his hair cut by John with a pair of pliers and a blowtorch. Cut. Zoom in on the head. This is Danny's hair at the moment. Now, in a minute, he'll have none whatsoever. We might keep his eyebrows, depending on how we feel. Zoom.
Just remember that I want more steam engines.
Zoom in on the beard. There is the beard. Danny, say hello. Go on then. And here's the barber himself, John the barber.
Break. Give us a break.
89 years of experience of cutting hair. This is the man. He's first. Peter's next, the cameraman. And then I am. Oh, here we go. Oh, God, jeez. The precision work. 89 years of expertise, shaving. Go get another angle on that. Get the precision. John, look at this particular bit here I like. Hand bit. Where he's going to go nowhere. This man is not moving. And there's the shave. Look at that. Superb shave. And possibly we might have some brute afterwards. You know? Danny's going to go out here like James Bond. And in the morning he'll be here at mass. Thank you, Danny. All shaved up. Give him a Mexican bit. Go on, for a crack. No, a Mexican type. Don't take. Ah, John, keep it. No, for a minute. Keep it. No, go on, give him a Mexican. No, look like a Mexican. See, go on. Let me have a go. Zoom in on his glasses there, from your point of view. Any point of view, just make it different from the hat. You know, then zoom out that way. And they're all queuing up outside. Teresa's off to get her hair done at the hairdresser's.
Because it needs doing.
Zoom in on the money.
Worth of grease.
Look at all the money. Zoom in on the money. No, anyway, what I was going to say. Oh, yes. Film it. That's going on the internet.
Scan them.
They're making me laugh now.
Cut that bit with me putting the money up my kilt because it's a bit near the mark, isn't it? You know, just God, I'm boiling. God, he's
I
terrible.
put something on here, I don't know what.
Alright. You must have some idea. Actually, how do you don't know what?
Yeah. Something come on that's changing, but...
Not a sex session.
Huh?
You might have a sex session.
Well, I'm up for it if you are.
Peter! I don't mean that. No, you said you've got something on there.
What do you mean? Oh, a little thing. Oh, I've got rid of it now.
Right, so if you can transfer what you do today, keep scanning happy with his,
Yeah.
my hair's so greasy, with his, like, you know, performance out there.
Yeah.
So he obviously likes a camcorder. Right, so can you say?
Yeah, Pete, I've got one. Come here. We'll do how to fix the bike. Good afternoon and welcome to this afternoon's programme of How to Fix the Bike. This is a bike and I am about to prepare to fix it whilst John shaves your man's head. Firstly, you need one of these yokes. This is called a chain delinker and that bit fits in there like that, as you can see. Sometimes I eat jelly on Saturday afternoon, but not today because we didn't have any. So, I'll fix the bike instead. Zoom, cut off, and you can zoom into what I'm trying to do. Okay, that is the chain. That controls the motion when I cycle. Like we're doing 2,000 road at 500 miles an hour. Now, what's been happening is my chain, it's got so stressed and stretched, all in one go. I can't see any of your bras there.
Well, that's because I don't put them on the lower end.
Oh, right. Well, why didn't you say that in the first place?
Don't they all my white tops?
Getting back to the topic. And look, you man, in the meantime, back at John's shed, the haircut's doing quite well. Danny, how you doing?
Yeah.
Do you want a wet shave now?
Oh, yes.
Oh, Jesus, good wet shave now. This man's going to go out supersonic, like Superman perhaps. He's even got the cloak. And tomorrow he'll win the bottle of whiskey.
Dad, find them wires.
Right, hang on, get back to this one. So, what we have to do, you have to put that yoke in there like that, get hold of the greasy, horrible chain, minding
Get
Teresa's
somebody inside
whites.
of my dad's shed. Try and follow my dad down without breaking your neck.
Go on then.
Oh, no, I don't. I've got hairdressers.
Well, we can do your hair here. Yes, we are, we're professionals. So, the idea is, somebody holds that yoke like that, see that spring motion? Viewers, there you are. And somehow get that yoke through that small yoke there, whilst getting absolutely completely covered in oil and minding Teresa's whites. Okay?
Whiter than white.
Okay, over for a commercial break. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, commercial break. Thai food cheap. Refreshes you where you cannot get the parts. Anyway, there you are, Danny. How'd you feel? Wet shave now?
Very low, yes.
Would you come to John's Barbers every day?
Says you want.
See him wearing on the shop front. Show the viewers the shop front.
I'm going to get me hair done.
Alright, oh, renegade. Why won't you get your hair cut here at last?
Yeah, right.
Can you finish?
Say to you to the viewers. Bye-bye viewers. See you tomorrow. Happy days. Let's get her out on the taxi. Now follow her. Come on, let's follow Teresa. Keep it running.
Yeah.
This is Teresa. Come on viewers, come with me. Look at my black oily hands, aren't they lovely? Especially for caressing. There she is, in a beautiful red taxi. Ooh, going to get her hair cut. Bye-bye viewers. Bye. Say bye-bye to viewers. Bye-bye viewers. Right, I've taken the tension off. God knows how I did that. You have to lob that bit into that bit there. Line up them holes, and then you get this yoke.
chain to link it.
John, you're going to have to help me.
There is a prize of £10. I'm done. It's gone again now.